Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I make this pepper beef. I'm just going to be showing you some little twists that just add to this recipe that takes it to the next level. So if you are interested, stick around and let's make this video together. So now let's get started. So guys, here is the beef that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I've cut the beef into a bite size. So I will start by marinate the beef by adding some onions, garlic, thyme, ginger, beef stock, scotch bonnet, salt, and some rosemary. I'm going to mix everything together. You need to mix everything together properly. And I'll cover this meat. I'm not going to add any single water. I'll just allow the beef to release its own stock. So here are the vegetables that I'm going to be using. I have some fresh tomato, some red bell pepper, green bell peppers, and some scotch bonnet and onions and some spring onions. So here is the beef. As you can see, the beef just released its own stock. I'm just going to cook this beef without adding any single water until all the water dries up. So I'm just going to cover it again and allow it to cook. So for the vegetables, as you can see, I just took off all the tomato seed that is inside because I don't want the seed inside my own. I'm just going to be chopping them into a little pieces so that my blender can blend properly. So now I'm just going to blend all the vegetables together. I don't want mine to be smooth. I just want them to be rough blending. I don't want it to be smooth at all. So now I'll be chopping the spring onions, then I will set it aside. So now, as you can see, all the juice has dried up. This is what you want to do. In this way, you have a nice and tasty beef meat. I'm going to be using some vegetable oil for this recipe. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using this Italian spice. In here you have some sage leaf, rosemary, and some onions mixed together. I'm just going to add it to my pot with some garlic, curry. Then I'll mix everything together. I will allow it to saute for just 1.5 minutes. So now I'll be adding my blended vegetables. I'm going to give it a nice stir. I'll allow this to cook for about 8 minutes. I'm not going to add any water into it, so I'm just going to allow it to cook with its own juice, and everything is just going to dry up. You don't need any water for this recipe. So now I'm going to be adding the beef stock that I achieved from this beef meat that I cooked before. So I'll be adding some beef stock, some suya spice. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of suya spice. Guys, trust me, adding suya spice to this recipe just add more taste to it. You can give it a try. It's so delicious. I'm going to stir, then I will allow it to cook. I'm going to be using some vegetable oil to fry my beef. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll be adding some onions, some rosemary to add more taste to this recipe and also to give it this nice aroma. So guys, if you want, you can grill your beef in the oven, but here is too hot. I decided to fry my own. I don't want to on my oven today. So I'm going to be taking the onions away from the oil, and then I will leave the rosemary to cook, and I'm just going to fry the meat with the rosemary together. So now I'll be adding the beef meat. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you are welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch this video, and guys, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Above all, guys, please subscribe to this channel. You don't even need to pay any money. It's free. And if you have been watching, you have not yet subscribed, please, what are you still waiting for? Support your sister by subscribing to this channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And for my old subscribers, you guys know that I love you so much. Thank you for your support, and thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So as you can see, the beef is well fried. I'm just going to take it out of the oil and set it aside. So our sauce is ready. I'm just going to take some of this sauce and set it aside because I don't want the sauce to overshadow the beef meat. Maybe later I'll make use of it. So let's just see. I'll add the beef and I'm going to give it a nice stir. You need to stir it together so that everything will mix together properly. I'm going to be adding some chopped vegetables, some red bell pepper, green bell peppers, onions, and some spring onions to add more taste to this recipe and to give it a nice, beautiful colors. So I'm just going to stir everything together. I will allow it to cook for just 2 minutes because it's vegetables. You don't want to overcook it. If not, your vegetables will be soggy. I don't think you will like it like that. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. Share it to your friends so that I will give this recipe a try. And guys, please let me know how your own comes out. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to leave you at this point, and I will see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. So guys, stay safe with your family, be happy. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.